go. Today I'm going to be... This has Iron Man. 4 Ultrons. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Compared to Iron Man. So this is a pretty good set. Really like the back. So the back, let me say again. This is fun. And at the back, you have one jumper thing. This is a very good detail. No, it's only 3 characters because that's actually the top one's legs, right? And so, let's get building. And now we're all done. This is the 3 Ultrons. This is, of course, Iron Man. So, pretty good detail. Pretty good details on Iron Man. Because I had it back. Now, time for the best. I'll do time for another best part. Oh, the super jumper! He's gonna fly, really fly. Fire! I'm gonna do that again. Oh, yeah. One more. I'll do it one more time. This is so fun. Oh, I'll do it one more time. Let's see how it goes that time. Well, I need to box this shit. It's over. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do this. Iron Man. Okay. I'll take one of the Ultrons off. I'll just fit your Iron Man. Now you're alone with my super jumper. Okay. Try and get me. Easy. Ready? A little harder. Whoa! Now, and move this. That's this. Really good. Hey, why is that one not like that? But that one is. So let's aim somewhere. Right here. In my Iron Man. Cover these shorts. Let's see. Ooh, I got them. So I've got angry face. I hate you, Angel. Magical. Very good details. So they're ready for another best piece. This super jumper. This time I'm gonna do it. Like, let's go. And then you can just go like, whee! One side, boom, and then ow, well. Very good details. Okay, bye. Watch another video with just me. See you next time. Bye. Subscribe if you like this video. Thumbs up. Put a like down below. And see you next time for another video. I'm done.